The next Public Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, October 3 at 3 o'clock at. Continue reading below, or listen. Don't miss the October 3 episode of the Public Safety Drone Review, presented by DRONERESPONDERS and DRONELIFE, with guest Stuart Lawless of the National Police Chiefs Council in the United Kingdom. The Public Safety Drone Review is a monthly resource for the public safety community. This free event will be held live on October 3, 2023 at 3 p.m. EST, and on the first Tuesday afternoon of each month going forward. Register here for the live webcast, or watch later on the DRONELIFE TV YouTube channel. Public Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, October 3 at 3 p.m. at. Register here. This month, hosts Timothy Martin and Miriam McNabb review the latest news stories about drones and public safety, first response, fire, and police with our guest Stuart Lawless of the National Police Chiefs Council in the United Kingdom. Our guest will then speak and answer questions about the current landscape in UK, drone regulations, and how police in London and the United Kingdom are using drone technology to keep communities safe. Stuart Lawless has more than a decade of experience as a police officer in the UK, now working full-time for the National Police Chiefs Council drone portfolio. The NPCC Drones portfolio is working to help UK police forces to be at the leading edge of public safety drone operations, with nationally standardized drone training and procedures. Stuart has been instrumental to develop standard operational guidelines, authorization templates, and more tools for the public safety community. Whether you're an active member of the public safety community using drones, interested in getting started, or a stakeholder in public safety drone technology, join us for this free, monthly event.